Hello, welcome to another video on solar installation. Solar panel is our topic today. What is a solar panel? What factors do one take into account when buying a solar panel? These are some of the questions I am going to answer in this tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now so that you will receive a notification each time I post a new video on YouTube. A solar module, commonly known as a solar panel, consists of solar cells arranged in series. Several solar panels makes up what we call solar array or PV array. There are a number of factors that helps us buy the best or perfect panel for specific tasks, and one being panel specifications on the back of the panel. Take into account the maximum power of the panel, open circuit voltage, short circuit current, maximum power point current, maximum power point voltage, efficiency of the panel. Please note, make it a point to acquire solar products from a reputable supplier. Check the link in the description below, and an industry group I expect in solar products production, including LED lights. If you design a system which requires 2 or more panels, you need to define how to configure those panels together. You can do this either by connecting them in series or parallel, or by combining series and parallel configurations depending on your design. Remember, a series connection sums up voltage and parallel connection sums up current. In this design, I have assumed each panel to be 40 watts, that is 2 amps at 20 volts. Here I have connected 3 rungs in parallel, for which each rung has 3 panels in series. This gives me a 360 watt system. Types of solar panels. This type is relatively cheap and has a very low efficiency rate. This type of solar panel is easy to produce. 2. We have polycrystalline solar panel. This type absorbs 15% of the total sunlight available to it. It is sensitive to high temperatures, suffers low lifespan. 3. We have the monocrystalline solar panel. Mono type is optimized for commercial use. It has a higher efficiency rate as compared to other types I have already mentioned. It reaches up to 20%. But it is expensive. The 4th type is the concentrated PV cell. This type is characterized by high efficiency. It reaches up to 41% efficiency. Solar trackers and cooling system is needed to reach high efficiency. Thanks for watching. We meet in my next video, in which we will be looking on solar batteries in detail.